Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you if your iPhone is not charging or if your iPhone is facing some charging issues. I'll show you how to fix it. So the process is really simple. You can do it at home. So for example, if I just plug my phone into any charger, it does not charge, right? How to fix this issue? My charger is connected in the power socket, but it's not charging my phone. I know the fix, I know the issue, and I'll show you how to fix it. So in this process, you need three things or probably two things. The main is toothbrush, and the second thing is isopropylene, the rubbing alcohol, or either you can use the nail polish remover. I hope you know what's a nail paint remover, right? Of course. So what we are going to do is, so what happened? So the lint from our pockets, or the food particles, or the dust, debris, got collected into the charge ports. So the thing is, they got blocked or they got plugged, they got chalked, right? So how to fix it? We have to fix it. We need to unplug it or kind of remove the debris from the charge port to successfully transfer the power from charging pins to phone's charger port, right? So how to do that? So the easy process is, I'm going to show you. I don't want you to damage your iPhone's charge port. So the thing is, your iPhone have the charge port on the bottom, the charging pins on the bottom side. Let me try to show you in a correct way. Maybe I can zoom in because I don't want you to break your charge port. So I just want you to mention, the thing is, your iPhone have the charge port pins like on the bottom side. uh, just hold on. There you go. So on the top side, like on the upper side, on the top side, there's nothing. On the bottom side there are pins, so make sure you do not damage them or you not crush them, right? So you have to go deep in the charge port directly, but in the type C's charge ports, make sure you careful enough, right? If you can do it in the direct sunlight, that will be perfect. You have to just go deep in the charge port. There's nothing inside which you can damage, but there are on the downside, on the bottom surface, there are pins which you can damage, right? But they won't be easily damaged, but still you need to careful enough. So just make sure you clean the charge port from like internally, like, right? And when you're done with the cleaning, make sure you have the alcohol and just pour it on the brush, and make sure you use the decent amount of alcohol, because if you're using on any LCD screen, you will wreck it with alcohol. So but this is the OLED screen, so this will not cause any problem, right? So you have to clean it gently. So make sure you using the hard bristle toothbrush. I don't have hard bristle, so I can either use this ones. This will also work great. You guys can see here, I can clean it gently. So make sure you use alcohol. Don't use too much alcohol, you will wreck anything, of course. So at least use a decent amount of alcohol and just clean it. Give it 3 or 4 minutes. Like, do it gently, do not worry, like do not do hurry. Just do it gently, do it properly. You will be able to clean it properly, and after that you will see that your phone will start charging. And also you can clean your plugged speaker vents and microphone vents, so that you'll be able to hear better audio after cleaning it, and it will like create difference. You will see difference in it, right? And after doing that, let me try to plug in. And also I'll recommend you to clean the charge code pins, because the carbon residue, of course, got collected on the charging pins. So make sure you clean them gently. I'll say like give it 2 or 3 minutes, because everything needs time, everything wants time. So just clean it gently and it will definitely gonna work. So I'm done with that. There you go, finally it started charging. So that's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.